This is ABW's Executive Chef Chris. Welcome to ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen once again, where we demystify the culinary arts and showcase amazing appliances. Today we are talking about the Viking TurboChef Speed Cook Oven. Why Viking? Well, Viking excels in cooking quality, and they've actually partnered up with TurboChef to create one of the best things a home chef can use. So today we are going to be cooking a fresh 12-pound turkey in the TurboChef oven. It's only going to take about 40-45 minutes, whereas normally that would take about 2.5 hours. So here's our turkey that we're going to be doing for today, about a 12-pound turkey. It's got Chef Chris's special poultry rub on here that you can find on our website, abwappliances.com. But in the cavity we have lemons, garlic, and onion. So to this pan we're going to add a little bit of white wine, and we're going to add some water as well. And now we're ready to go into the oven. I'll see you when it comes out. How does a TurboChef work? Well, very hot air, very high speed, and microwave power. That's how this works so fast. So that it cooks food rapidly without compromising the quality. Again, 40 minutes, and look at the quality and precision of this cooking. So as you can see, this turned out great. Crisp on the outside, cooked all the way through on the inside. You can see the meat pulling away from the bone a little bit here. This is going to be great. I'm just going to grab a little piece here, along with some of this great skin we have. And you can see how moist and glistening this turkey is. Just amazing moisture. Boy, that's not your grandmother's turkey. A little bit of kick, perfect flavor. For more on this product or any other appliances, please visit us at abwappliances.com. This is ABW's Executive Chef Chris signing out for today. And thank you again for watching ABW's 2-Minute Kitchen. See you next time.